Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to become a web developer. Individuals can develop the necessary skills to become web developer by earning degrees, graduating coding boot camps, or obtaining industry certificates. Developer carry out vital work that sustains our digital society. These professionals create websites and work behind the scenes to ensure that applications run smoothly. They provide sustainability, add visual flair, and integrate the platforms that house our data. Learning how to become a web developer may seem daunting given the scope of the job, but the process itself is straightforward. Individuals wondering what is a web developer can consult this guide for information on the education's requirements to start careers in this field. What is web developer? Web developers design, maintain, and optimize websites and other web-based applications for consumer use. They really own insights from computer programming, software development, and graphic design, often working alongside professionals in each field. Most web developers specialized in several steps of the development process, diets, tools, and techniques. Vary depending on the positions. The following information provides insights into some common web developers rules. Featured online web development bootcamps. Types of web developers: front end developer. These web developers focus on the user facing sides of websites. They create intuitive user interfaces with a keep eye for compiling designs. Backend developers specialize in websites, nuts and bolts, optimizing the crucial hidden elements most users never see. They often design databases and use languages like PHP, C, CSS, or Python. Full stack web developers combine front end and back end development. They consider the creations process from both angles and possess the skills to complete tasks on either end of the spectrum. What do a web developer do? Web developer typically work with web-based applications, service, desktop or notebook computers, and other programming devices. They use those tools to develop the coding process for functional and visually compelling websites. When writing code, web developers use language like HTML, Python, JavaScript, SQL, PHP, and CSS. Web development also includes site maintenance and upkeep. In addition to design, qualified professionals evaluate code for accuracy, redundancies, and structural integrity. They increase site performance by enhancing server side components and optimizing site elements for scalability or outside integrations. Web developers often work alongside other professionals in web design and software development. These fields share some similarities, but the following information details some key difference to keep in mind. Web developer: these specialists focus on the codes that allow website for run smoothly. They process they possess advanced programming skills, including competency in making machine learning technology, systems analysis, and database management. They often work with web designers to ensure proper functionality. Web designers uh, emphasizes front end aesthetics and feel. They crafts coordinate and optimize the visual components that make websites compelling and attractive. These professionals also integrate site content and brand voice in accurate and constant ways. So software developers poses many of the some programming and technical skills as web developers, but the broader scope, they write, test and analyze the code of computer programming and other of software applications. Some software developers focus on mobile or web based applications, while others work on operating systems, telecommunications tools, or larger network infrastructures. So this was a little review of this article. If you are interested in our content, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thanks for watching.